Avoiding negative consequences of vegan eating. If you are considering a vegan diet, you have no doubt heard about all of the benefits that the lifestyle offers. What is often overlooked is some of the potential consequences that can occur as well. While each family is likely to have a unique experience in their journey towards vegan happiness, there are a few things that you can typically expect to occur. Learning what you can expect will allow you to properly plan ahead and ensure that your experience is positive. Your first change is the lack of animal products. If you are not a major meat eater, this might not be huge for you. However, perhaps you are a huge fan of ice cream. This just became a serious no-no in your diet. Now you need to start looking for some alternative products that you can enjoy just as much. This might take some time, but you should certainly look to specials and sales to help you save as much money as possible while still getting some new foods to try. Additional complications are the lack of variety. Being able to choose amongst all of the foods in the world is a thrilling experience. However, if you are eating vegan, you are typically omitting a large number of dishes immediately from the choices available. This is a rather frustrating experience for some people, but for others, it can be a great chance to expand their taste for veggies. Look towards specific dishes that you know you like or dishes that you are almost certain you will like in order to help smooth the transition. Once you have started expanding your tastes, you can become a bit pickier, but finding anything delicious possible, to begin with, is very helpful. If you are used to having dairy products and do not think you can give them up, you should begin looking for some suitable alternatives before you actually make the switch to vegan. This should include milk, cheese, yogurt, ice cream and other dairy products that you might typically consume. Most dairy products offer a vegan-appropriate option that you can choose, however not all versions taste the same. You should spend a bit of time trying several different brands until you find something that you really like. Additional concerns should be working to decide what is most important to you as you begin making the transition to vegan. If you attempt to change everything at once, you are just asking for trouble. Which aspect of veganism would you like to adopt first? Omitting meat? Perhaps choosing to eliminate all of the dairy products from your meals? Maybe you would even like to start searching for a healthy supply of fruits and vegetables. These are all suggestions of things you can do to start the process slowly so that you are able to successfully make the transition. You should also come to terms with the fact that many people spend several months making the entire transition to vegan eating. This is quite common and is not something to be ashamed of at all. If you need additional time, you are not going to be considered a failure to vegan eating. You are working to build a new lifestyle, not simply drop a bit of weight, so the slower you go, the more likely you are to be truly successful.